Good day guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademola Badmos. If this is your first time, please do not forget to like and subscribe. And if you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or still just remember to like. It encourages me to make more videos. So in this video, we will start we'll write the method that would help us run the scripts to test the ability to send emails to sign up and receive the email and extract a link from the email. So we'll get onto our PyCharm and we'll create the method that is needed. And let's just call that. Remember that in PyTest, if you're going to create a method, it has to start with test. So let's just create a method and name it retrieve email, right? And inside it, we are going to put a parameter that would embody the page class that we've imported. Now, one thing that is worthy of noting with Python is that with Python and Playwright is that when you want to look for elements, unlike the way we've done it before, where we can, unlike the way it is done in Playwright and JavaScript, Playwright and Python is a bit different. There are several ways you can identify an element. You can use the text ID, you can use the label, you can use the role. But if you want to use a CSS like I want to do, just use something called the locator instead. And that's what I'm going to use here. So the first thing I want to do is I need to navigate to the page. So I'll use page dot go to, and okay, since we've imported page objects, that's a long name. Let's give it an alias. Let's call it maybe PG as pages, right? So in here we go to the PG where we can have everything that we've saved there, the URL, and this basically visits the URL for us. And the next thing is we already know the process. We've tested manually before, and the process is we need to click on sign up, fill in these three, and click on this. So the first action is to click. So let's begin. So the next thing is we do a page.locator, which would help us get that, and we say pg dot is a sign up link that we want, and we click it. Right now, if we want to let's continue this way and quickly fill this up. So you can say page dot locator again, and this time around we want to fill the first name. If I remember correctly, fill in the first name. So we use the command dot fill, and we put the first name. As usual, our name is John, right? So let me just copy this to make it faster and paste. And what we just need to do is just change this one to last name and put in Bill. And we'll change this one to email, and that would be the email address we created here. So we just put email address, and that takes it. And the last part of it, I'll copy again, and I'll paste, because we just need to click. We need to click the submit button, and that takes care of that. So with this, we've been able to do the first part of the whole code. What we just need to do right now is test it. Okay, so let's test it now. So in order to test it, the command used in PyTest is the same command you use for this Playwright Python framework, which is basically PyTest. If I run PyTest alone, it will run it in headless mode. But if I want us to see what we are running, I'll just put this flag headed, and if I hit enter, it should launch the page, and we should be able to see something. As you can see, it has run the page for us, and it has been able to do that. So this brings us to the end of this particular video. in the second video, we will conclude the whole steps where we will extract the email and we will visit the link inside the email. We will see how Beautiful Soup will be able to help us extract it in simple steps. That's all. So with that, I say thank you for getting this far, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.